Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now we are going to look at the international staging system. So it's also known as the ISIS. So this is for the multiple myeloma. Now to begin with, the beta 2 microglobin and albumin level, the beta 2m, this is nothing but less than 3.5, and ALB will be greater than equal to 3.5. Now what about the stage? The stage is nothing but 1 and the median survival month. So what will be the median survival month? So this is nothing but it is 62. Next is moving on to the beta 2m. So beta 2m being less than 3.5, and the ALB, albumin being less than 3.5, or the beta 2b 2m, which is equal to 3.5 to 5.5. So this stage is nothing but 2. So the median survival month is going to be 44. Then comes the beta 2m, that is greater than 5.5. Here the stage is nothing but 3. The median survival month is going to be 29. So this is the most widely used method for assessing the prognosis of the multiple myeloma. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.